Some plants have fragrances that naturally repel pests. This repellency can also be found in plant essential oils. When combined correctly, these oils can be effective solutions for pest problems, which is why we love them. Check out which essential oils you can find in Maggie's Farm products. Cinnamon oil, Citronella oil, Clove oil, corn oil, Geraniol, Lemongrass oil, Peppermint oil, Rosemary oil, Soybean oil, Thyme oil, Wintergreen oil. Using insecticides with essential oils is an effective and more environmentally and family-friendly solution. For more helpful tips and pest information, be sure to follow us and visit our website, maggiesfarmproducts.com.